Brush. So open minutes. Hands down, please. Come on, bring your teeth kinda close to each other. So close. Every day. Twice a day. For 2 minutes. This is not fun. This is not sexy. This is not cool. This is what we're supposed to do. Okay, spit please. Come back. Help me out here. Close. Close. See if we get all the Come on. Close a little, close a little, close a little. Shh. Almost done. Almost done. Okay, good job. Now let's floss. Get this amount, arm's length. Come on, please. All right. Okay. There we go. Open, please. Thank you. Come on. Open. Come on. Come on back. Very good. Okay.